Physical education is an integral part of the educational program designed to promote the optimum development of the individual physically, socially, emotionally, and mentally through total body movement in the performance of properly selected physical activities. Objectives of physical education. The following objectives of physical education are viewed and stated in terms of their contributions to the outcomes of education and which justify the existence of physical education in the curriculum. Physical development. Through carefully selected physical education activities, an individual who participates actively will develop and maintain good health at the high level of physical fitness. The acquisition of physical skills can motivate an individual to participate further in physical activities, hence, his growth and development will be enhanced. Social development. Participation in physical education activities provides opportunities for the development of desirable social traits needed for adjustment to the social life in general. Some worthwhile traits are friendliness, cooperation, respect for the rights of others, good sportsmanship, good leadership and followership, honesty in group competition, emotional development. The informal nature of physical education activities offers opportunities for self-expression and emotional mastery. Examples of worthwhile emotional traits are self-confidence, self-control, self-reliance, courage, determination. Mental development. Through participation in physical education activities, the individual develops his mental as he learns the mechanical principles underlying movement, as he acquires knowledge and understanding of rules and strategies of games and sports, and as he discovers ways of improving his movements in gymnastics and dance. Physical fitness is the body's ability to function effectively and efficiently without undue fatigue in work, leisure activities, to meet emergency situations and to resist diseases from sedentary lifestyle. Is the ability to perform one's daily tasks efficiently without undue fatigue but with extra reserve in case of emergency. Fitness is defined as a condition in which an individual has enough energy to avoid fatigue and enjoy life. The condition of being physically fit and healthy, especially as a result of exercise and proper nutrition. Health-related fitness, HRF. Ability to become and stay physically healthy. Perks. Benefits, privileges, bonuses. Regress. Returning to former state, worse or fall back to previous condition. Skill-related fitness, SRF. Focuses on the performance in sports. Wellness. The quality or state of being healthy in body and mind, especially as the result of deliberate effort. Health-related components. Focus on factors that promote optimum health and prevent the onset of disease and problems associated with an activity. Cardiovascular fitness is the ability of the heart, cardio, and circulatory system, vascular, to supply oxygen to muscles for an extended period of time. Cardiovascular is also called cardiorespiratory, lungs, fitness. Muscular strength and endurance is the muscle's ability to produce effort or perform work. Muscular strength refers to the maximum amount of force a muscle can exert against an opposing force. Muscular endurance refers to the ability of the muscles to work over an extended period of time without fatigue. Flexibility is the ability to move a body part through a full range of motion, ROM, at a joint. Refers to the ability of the joints to move through a full range of motion. Body composition is the ratio of body fat to lean body mass, including water, bones, muscles, and connective tissues. Having too many fat issues is a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, cancer, and arthritis. Weight. The heaviness or lightness of a person. Height. The distance between the floor to the top of the head when a person is in standing position. Waist circumference is a good predictor of the amount of visceral fat which increases risk for cardiovascular disease and diabetes than fat located in other areas of the body such as in the arms and legs. Strength refers to the muscle's ability to generate force against physical objects. In the fitness world, This typically refers to how much weight you can lift for different strength training exercises. Cardiovascular endurance is the ability of the heart, lungs, and blood vessels to deliver oxygen to working muscles and tissues, as well as the ability of those muscles and tissues to utilize oxygen. Endurance refer to the ability of the muscles to do repeated work without fatigue. Collage, form of art, in which various materials such as photographs and pieces of paper or fabric are arranged and stuck to a backing. Health, a state of complete physical, mental, or intellectual, emotional, social, moral, spiritual and environmental well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Health, a resource for everyday life, not the object of living, and is a positive concept emphasizing social and personal resources as well as physical capabilities. Sexuality is a natural and healthy part of life. It is everything about being a male or female. It is the most important aspect in masculine or feminine identification. Sexuality involves the name given at birth, the toys played with, the clothes worn, the friends played with, the roles and responsibilities at home. Sexuality provides a sense of self-worth when sexual understanding is positive. Is an integral part of what we do and who we are. It is the way in which we experience and express ourselves as sexual beings. It is the total expression of an individual's self-concept. Sex is a major aspect of personality. It is closely related to emotional and social development and can be best understood by connecting it to the total adjustment of the individual in the family and society. Is the biological basis of being male or female. Gender is a social concept on how men and women should think, feel, and act. It refers to femininity or masculinity of a person's role and behavior as defined by society. Healthy sexuality means taking high sense of responsibility for all your actions, since this can affect self-esteem, decision-making, and behavior. Gender equality permits man and woman equal enjoyment of human rights. Gender role refers to set of roles, characteristics, and expectations of how a man or woman should feel, think, and act as influenced by parents, peers, and society. Decision is a choice you make or act upon. A good decision is a decision in which you have carefully considered the outcome of each choice. To accept personal responsibility is to accept how your decisions may affect you and other people. Decision-making skills will help you make decisions based on your needs and desires. At the same time, it helps you to resist peer pressure. Decision-making skills must be practiced and exercised in resolving issues and concerns about sexuality. At the end, you have to understand gender and human sexuality with a lesson in decision-making. Show off. People who would like to be the center of attraction whenever possible. Worriers. People who worry about everything. Gossip mongers. People who spread rumors and often exaggerate information. Bullies. People who use threats, fear, and cruelty to control others. Whiners. People who grumble and complain about everything. Abstinence. Practice of not doing or having something that is wanted or enjoyable. Sexually transmitted infection, STI, is a communicable disease that is spread from person to person through sexual contact. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome, AIDS, is a fatal communicable disease with no effective treatment or known cure. It is the final stage of infection caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV.
Thank you for watching. I hope nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo. Click the subscribe button para updated, mag-like, at mag-comment below. Kung gusto niyo shout out, kung mayroon kayong suggestions at katanungan, just comment below. Maraming salamat po.